financial year 2018-19 was very important for the Public Affairs Center. It was the first year of the implementation of our strategic framework, 5-year framework 2018 to 23, and the perspective plan for the last year envisaged 3 key focus areas, and I'm glad to say that we've made quite remarkable progress in all the 3 areas. The first was to enhance research quality, and towards this end, the strategy was to put in place standards and processes which are best of class. The second was to try and expand our footprint, cover a wider gamut of research areas. And this was a breakthrough year for us because we've embarked on very ambitious projects, one of which is to deal with migration skills and livelihood. It's a pan-Karnataka project, and we are seeking to put in place an institutional architecture that will help the state to manage migration in a humane and orderly fashion. And we believe this will demonstrate proof of concept which can then be replicated in other states. The third was to reorient our work along the Sustainable Development Goals framework with a focus on the human development sectors. In particular, to try and enhance the policy impact, policy engagement in the 2 key sectors which determine human development: education, particularly school education, and primary health care. Looking back, I believe we've made very good progress in both these fields. As a matter of fact, in a project that we are working with the government of Karnataka on to enhance community ownership of primary and secondary schools, the government has actually started citing some of the research findings of the Public Affairs Center, and that's feeding into policy making for the state. Similarly, we also ventured into an important new area, new in as much as there's very little work that's been done in this particular area vis-a-vis government policy, and that is data analytics, the application of data analytics in policy making. And looking back again, it's been an exciting year for all of us in the Public Affairs Center. We've looked at how we might use data analytics to address the problem of malnutrition, particularly the stunting of children. We've looked at how we might deploy data analytics to improve health outcomes through the primary healthcare centers. So it has been a very important year, and the team PAC, which comprises young researchers and a few experienced team leads, have done a remarkable job. I'm sure my colleagues will be speaking about the specific projects. Looking ahead, Public Affairs Center is coming of age. We are turning 25 this year, and as part of our Silver Jubilee commemoration, we are going to be launching several new initiatives. But underlying all our efforts are 2 fundamental principles that guide the organization. One is that we are very clear that in the next 4 to 5 years, we will emerge as a world-class institution working on key human development sectors, particularly at the last mile. And second, that we will ensure that community engagement that we engage in, particularly in large number of our projects, results in transforming the lives of people. So looking ahead with a lot of hope, with a lot of excitement, and we hope to be able to demonstrate significant success in the year ahead.